Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to solve few sums based on GST from practice set 4.1. There are around 7 sums in the practice set, out of which 4 sums I will be covering in this video. The remaining 3 sums will be covered in the next video. So let's get started. Before we start with the sums, we need to understand certain formulas, and these formulas were covered in the last video as well. Please make sure that you watch the video first and then come back to this one. The formula which is needed to solve this practice set are as follows. GST is equal to rate into taxable value. So rate of GST will be given to you all. How to find the amount of GST? For that you need to apply this formula. The second formula is CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. Let us see the first question. Question says Pawan Medical supplies some medicines and the rate of GST is 12%. What is the rate of CGST and SGST? This is a very simple question. It comes for 1 mark. So let us see how to write this question or how to write this solution. So rate of GST is given as 12%. Let us write that down. Now we all know the formula. What is the formula? CGST is equal to SGST is equal to half of GST. Now the rate of GST is 12. We just have to substitute the value. So half of 12 is nothing but 6%. So therefore the rate of CGST and SGST is 6%. I hope this is clear. Moving on to the next one. Messrs Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. Now, what is given here? Let us first understand the question. Here it is mentioned Messrs Real Paint. Now, what is Messrs? So there is a small fun fact that I have mentioned here. Messrs or M/S stands for Messrs. It is nothing but a plural form of Mr. Messrs will be used as a prefix in front of the firm's name which are formed by partnership. So if now what is partnership? What is a partnership firm? A small business which is started by either two or more members, two or more partners. So whenever two or more partners are involved in a business, we use Messrs, which is a plural form of Mr. Okay. It is written as M/S. It is just good to know information for you all. Okay, moving ahead. Messrs Real Paint is selling 2 tins of luster paint and the taxable value of each tin. What do you understand by each tin? Each tin means cost of 1 tin is given as 2800. It is very easy. Let us see. Taxable value of 1 tin is rupees 2800. So taxable value of 2 tins is equal to 2 into 2800, right? So 28 into 2 is 56 and just add 2 zeros, right? Now, if the rate of GST is 28%, so if rate of GST is 28%, students, can you all guess what would be the rate of CGST and SGST? Yes, it would be half of 28%, which is 14%. Easy. Rate of CGST is how much? 14%. So 14% of taxable value. Of means multiplication again. So 14 upon 100 into 5600. So let us cancel the zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. So we get 14 into 56. So if you multiply these two amounts or if you multiply these two values, you get rupees 784. So CGST is 784. So what would be the value of SGST? It would be same, because CGST and SGST always remains the same. So the value of SGST and CGST is rupees 784. I hope this is clear to everyone. I'm moving on to the next sum. Taxable value of a wristwatch is rupees 586. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? Now the cost of wristwatch. Taxable value of wristwatch belt is equal to rupees 586. Rate of GST is given as 18%. Now rate is given, we need to calculate the amount of GST, right? So what is the formula? GST is equal to rate into taxable value. Now in this sum, nothing is mentioned about CGST and SGST. So directly we are jumping towards calculating the amount of GST. So what is the rate given here, students? 18%. So 18% of taxable value. So 18 upon 100 into what is the taxable value here? 586. So calculation is a bit complicated here because there are no zeros to cancel. Instead of reducing the numbers in its lowest form, what I am going to do is I am going to divide 18 upon 100. So we all know how to do it. Whenever there are zeros in the denominator, we know how to convert it. You just have to shift the decimals. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So we just have to shift the decimals in the numerator. So you get 0.18 into 586. Fine. So if you multiply these two numbers, you get 105.48 as the value of GST. We need to find the price of the belt for the customer. Now understand this, students. Now customer is buying that wristwatch. So how much amount the customer will pay? So customer will pay the taxable value also, plus he will be paying the value for GST. He will be paying the amount of GST. So total how much he is paying, that we need to calculate. So let us understand this. So the amount paid by the customer is equal to taxable value of wristwatch belt plus GST. Okay. So substituting the values, 586 plus 105.48, we get rupees 691.48. Okay. So this is the amount which the customer is going to pay for buying that wristwatch belt. Okay. Therefore, the price of the belt for the customer is rupees 691.48 or 48. Also, I would like you all to try this sum by your own and write down your answers in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.